How you feeling, Dada?
Feeling good.
We're in our new house. Okay, so we are moving into a new home. So exciting. So many things to tell you guys. Where do I start? I'm gonna start with giving a home tour. This is our basement, unfinished basement. It has just a few things that we bought already from the apartment. It has washer and dryer and all of the fun water heater, sump pump, all that good stuff is in here. And that's the basement. We plan to get it finished one day, but right now, not a priority. This is the front door. I probably should have started outside, but you know me, very informal. This is outside. Literally come in and you got this little doorway area. Still need to organize. Probably put like a cute little bench there, a table here. I don't know. All this stuff needs to move. We got a rug already. Got a hose. This is the garage. It's one car garage. It's nice. I was really looking forward to having like a spigot outside, and we got that, which is great. We have one out front and one out back. This is our closet. Put some stuff in there already. Junking it up, you know me. And we have to go upstairs to come into the house. This is our living room area. So the previous owners were so gracious and they let us keep some of their furniture. They blessed us with this couch. I think Gio was touching this couch. But we have a couch. We didn't have to buy a couch. And it's fairly new. It's really nice. Right, Dada?
Yeah.
And I just got this desk from Facebook Marketplace. Very good condition. I love it. It's my favorite. Sit here, look outside. So nice. I'm obsessed with this.
Some of my favorite things are just this whole space in general. Like, we're gonna add to it, but it's got a lot of space to do a lot of things. We're gonna add like some shelves and a chair. And
not that chair.
My favorite part though is the kitchen area and the deck. I like the deck because it's simple, but it's also just a relaxing space to get some work done and to hang out, chill with friends. So I think I'm excited mostly for the deck, to host, to lounge, to chill with my fam.
Yeah, we still gotta get deck furniture.
Yeah.
The good thing about the deck is there's only another deck on the other side. Our neighbor on this side doesn't have a deck, so it's a little bit spaced out, which is nice. Gio, you done making a mess? Okay, the kitchen is also one of my favorite spaces. The previous owners got custom cabinets, and oh my gosh, should have died for. Let me show you. This is kind of pantry stuff, I guess. I don't know, but it's so nice. More shelving up there. It's really nice and spacious in here. Then we got those to put some of our pans and pots, whatever fits up there. More shelving here. I put some of my mugs up there. Maybe put the pots or something up there that I don't use often. I don't know. Or maybe my air fryer could go up there. I don't know. Might rearrange some stuff. My mom suggested put in the spices and stuff here. So I might move this stuff over here. I need to still organize it a little bit better, but that. And I put some glasses over here. I still need to clear out all this stuff. And down here, I didn't think this was as big as it was, but it's really big. Like, it can fit, oops, it can fit my, most of the appliances down here. The only thing that I really have left is my air fryer. I gotta see if it fits down there. But it fits the blender. It's a rice cooker. It's a smaller rice cooker. But it fits all this stuff. And I still got space. So, that's great. Just got some more cabinets and drawers. It's great. Gio, I'm trying to make a video. This is nice. I'll let you move this around, but this is nice stuff. And it's a soft close, which is nice. They also let us keep this bar stool, which goes perfectly with the kitchen. Obsessed. I also got this little table for Gio off of Facebook Marketplace. It's practically new. One of the chairs did have a little crack in it, but it's not that bad. All right, let's finish with the tour. Here we got a bathroom. Nice for our guests. And if we go upstairs, we can put some decor on the walls. We come up here and it's 3 bedrooms. All that on the wall. It looks like it, at first I was like, oh my gosh, what's that? But it's from the light up there. We're gonna switch out all the lights in the bedrooms to be ceiling fans. So right now, that is what it is. I don't know, I might try to sell that. Also, we were blessed to be able to keep the dressers and nightstands from the previous homeowners, which was nice. I am learning that they are smaller than what we had before, but they're nicer and they fit better to the aesthetic of this house. The ones we have at our place are white and they wouldn't really go well with this. This is my favorite part. I love this part. We can put our jewelry in there and not have to have it out, because right now we have it out on top of our dresser. And we'll be able to put our jewelry away and not have to worry about it, which is nice. We have our own bathroom in here. My husband's dad's supposed to be redoing the shower because I'm not a big fan of this sliding door, but it's okay for now. But it would be nice to have that out and like just it different. But his dad does tile work. He has his own business, so he's supposed to be redoing this, so we'll see. We'll come back to what this bathroom looks like in a couple months. We got our own closet. Vince doesn't know it yet, but I already started putting my stuff away. And I claimed my side. He doesn't know it yet either, but I claimed that dresser. It has a little bit, I think it has one more drawer than this one. You can have that one. And then this is an extra room. We do have to paint in this room, as you can maybe see in the camera. It's like light. it's not enough coats, so we have to do 1 or 2 more coats in the room. Probably just put a lot of Gio's toys in here. And then this one is gonna be his official room. We're gonna put a full bed in here and a dresser. And this will be his room. It's a decent sized room for a little bugger. And this is the bathroom. Still need to put it together, but we are not planning to get this bathroom redone because I feel as though it's fine. I think the one in our room, I just don't like that sliding door. If it didn't have that sliding door, I wouldn't be thinking about getting it redone. But because it has a sliding door, something's gotta give. So, but this is our house. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Life is lifing right now, and I just feel extremely blessed and happy, even though everything that comes with buying a house is a lot. It's a lot, but it's such a blessing, and I'm very excited for this next chapter in our lives, and I'm looking forward to what God is doing in our lives, and just to see what's in store. There's just a lot that comes with getting a house for us, because my previous job, this is a whole nother story, I don't know, it should just be a whole nother video, maybe. My previous job, I worked as a resident director at a university. So with that, we lived on campus in the residence hall with the students, which is fine. It was an experience, it was fun. But when I first started that job, I was single. I didn't have other people to consider, but now I do. So after having a dog and a kid and a husband, like, God, it's time for us to move on from this. We need more space. We just need more privacy and different things. And I literally spoke this house into existence. I knew God was going to do something, and he did it. So girl, if you're watching this and you feel as though your time is coming, manifest it in Jesus' name. Trying to create content, and you guys are just down here being extremely loud.
Sorry, Gio, look, I told you she's right there. She's not down there. Look, there's Mama. Mama's right there.
Gio, say hi.
Messy boy, making an ass everywhere.
Okay. Whew. It's a lot of steps in this house, but I'm about to paint this room. So paint this room with me. It's all white room. As you can see, it's all white. I got the music going. I didn't put a lot of stuff in this room yet because I know I wanted to paint it. Just a couple things I put in here for my son. That's the paint that we got for free from one of my husband's cousins. I'm gonna use this. These are just trash bags. I'm gonna just open them up, use them to lay down where I'm gonna start painting. So paint with me, boo. This house was an extreme blessing. The house came in such great condition. There was very minimal things that we had to do to prepare this house. It's basically move-in ready, and that's exactly what we did. We moved right in. After we had the whole house cleaned, we started moving in our stuff, and it honestly was an easy move because we could take our time and we weren't rushed to move out of our current space. And there's not a lot of projects that we had to do. The only thing really was painting this room. It just needed another coat of paint, as well as redo our bathroom because, like I said in the video earlier, I did not like those sliding doors. So my husband's dad offered to redo our entire bathroom and give us tile work. So definitely stay tuned to see how that bathroom turned out because it's pretty amazing. So I think I'm gonna have to do another coat. I can't really tell now, it looks fine now, but for some reason I just have a feeling I'm gonna have to do more work. So we'll see about that. Now I'm gonna do the trims. The trim all around. And I also feel like I'm gonna have to do the ceiling. I'm gonna cry, but it's part of being a homeowner. So I'm gonna do the trims now. along the way we came across just a couple things that cost us money for moving in, such as we had to get a new microwave, a new garbage disposal, and that may have been it really. A lot of the little things that we did have to pay for were very minor. There was nothing major that we had to worry about, and that's why I say it's such an extremely great blessing to be able to move into this house, because really little work needed to be done. And being a homeowner is actually very enjoyable. I am enjoying this new era, this new lifestyle. It's so amazing, and I just hope that you guys stay tuned for this journey. Definitely tune in for part 2 of our home so you can see all the updates and changes that we made and how we moved in and settled into our place, because it's awesome. You're not going to want to miss it, so definitely stay tuned. Got our cute little first dinner. Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
Mama.
To the camera. Give mommy a kiss.
You got your mom a little drink.
Get that in there. Dinner time.